Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by past. So I will put about u equals to Fn of 14x. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both side. And we have like this. Because we just do first derivative of 14x. And this why we have 14 in here. Number 14, we simplify dv, that is about this one. So the integration of 2x, that is about s squared. Negative number 1, that is negative s. So we have u multiplied by v. Minus, we have the u multiplied by v. So this one divided by s. So we have the integration s minus number 1. Now the integration of s, we have s squared over number 2 negative number 1, that is about negative s, and I will put about c. So now the negative will change the sign of this one, and this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.